Now, India has emerged as a global leader when it comes to this. It's to take charge of the task force to tackle the coronavirus outbreak. Now, India has accomplished the feat of organisation a video conference between 8 nations in just 48 hours. Prime Minister Modi is the first world leader to have called for a joint action plan between countries to contain the fast-spreading outbreak. All SAARC nations welcomed India's move, saying that they want to work closely with New Delhi to chalk out a strategy to combat the deadly disease. Our praises were not just limited to South Asia. Leaders from other parts of the world also reached out to Prime Minister Modi. Among the first to call was British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who discussed coordinated international efforts to tackle the outbreak with Modi. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison lauded Prime Minister Modi's efforts to organise a G20 link-up. Listen in.
Also aware that Prime Minister Modi is keen to organise a link-up between all the G20 leaders. I think that's a commendable initiative. Australia obviously supports that, and I've communicated that. That's a matter for the Saudi government, who is the president of the G20 this year. But the Prime Minister and I agreed last night that an even more urgent meeting that would be needed would be a further meeting of the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors.
Several international organisations are following suit. Now, this as the G7 will also be organising a video conference on COVID-19 containment measures.